On 14th August 1956, the nation witnessed the beginning of a quest for self-reliance in energy, when ONGC was born. It started with a handful of geoscientists with a limited knowledge of hydrocarbon habitats. The task in hand was onerous. ONGC discovered the first oil well in Lunaj in Gujrat. Later it discovered the huge oil field at Ankleshwar in the early 60s. But it wasn't enough. India was still mainly dependent on oil imports to meet its energy demand. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. ONGC made a major breakthrough by discovering the giant oil field, Bombay High, on the west coast in February 1974. This discovery changed the oil scenario of the country, and the quest continues. ONGC scripted India's hydrocarbon saga by discovering 6 of the 7 producing basins of India, exploring Earth's treasures in arid deserts, dense forests and deep blue oceans. ONGC mapped and tapped the country's hydrocarbon wealth extensively. Starting way back in 1965, ONGC Videsh, the overseas arm of ONGC, has been taking India's quest for oil overseas and has grown to become the second largest E&P company in India. ONGC also opened up India's ultra-deep water province by its discovery in Krishna Godavari block. While ONGC made its presence felt in diverse territories, safety remained its bedrock. All operational installations of ONGC are certified for QHSE, a unique standing in the industry. In the areas of refining, LNG, petrochemicals and power, ONGC meaningfully established its presence in the entire hydrocarbon value chain. Opening new energy frontiers, ONGC is also tapping unconventional energy sources like shale gas and clean energy sources like wind and solar. ONGC is also making great strides towards sustainable development. ONGC envisions an equitable society and brings unparalleled passion towards creating one. Through CSR initiatives, ONGC is touching lives of millions of Indians. ONGCians are also making the country proud in the field of sports as well. Many ONGCians have played a stellar role in Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and the World Cup to bring glory to the country. Every day, over 33,000 ONGCians toiling on land and offshore in difficult terrains, pushing the boundary of what is physically possible, are transforming the energy landscape. Today, ONGC is one of India's most valuable companies and continues to fuel the nation on its path to prosperity and strives for the nation's energy security.